I'm Faith, and today's day 13 of Flylady's beginner baby steps for getting your home and life in order. Here's my control journal, and like always, we need to continue building our habits one baby step at a time. So to make sure we're doing our morning routines and our before bed routines. I will have the routines down in the description so you can look at that and copy them, write them down in your control journal if you want to follow along. Now I'm going to read the notes from Flylady for day 13, and like I said earlier, I will have the morning and the before bed routine in the description, so go there for this part of the note. But today we need to find one of our missions and go do it. There are fast and easy. This is going to introduce you how we break our homes into zones so that we never have to spring clean again. You can find the missions at your launch pad. And one of Flylady's quotes is, "If you will make it fun, it will get done." So Flylady mentions a launch pad, and I have my phone here and I have the Flylady Plus app. It's a free app, so you can just download it. And you can also go to the website. So I'm just gonna show you from my phone, but you can also go to Flylady's website. She will have a launch pad there. You just have to look and see where it is. I'm not sure exactly where it is, but you can do that if you don't have the app. So when you open the app, you'll see from the desk of Flylady, and it's today's date. It's Wednesday, May 29, 2019. And you can just read through these little sections. It doesn't take you that long to read through. But what we need to do is to go to daily mission. And I'll just read it to you. The habit of the month is moving. Zone 4, mission number 2, Tuesday. Dear friends, we're going to move into the master closet today. Spend 15 minutes decluttering the top shelf of your closet. I am sure you will find things up there you have forgotten all about. If you can't get to the top of your closet, take that 15 minutes and declutter what is keeping you from that shelf. On my app, it actually said Tuesday mission, so I actually want to go to Flylady's website and go on the launch pad from her website and see if it's the same thing. And as you can see, this is the launch pad. So it is different on the computer. So I'm gonna do the one that's on the computer. Mission number 3, Wednesday. Dear friends, let's have a detailed vacuuming session. This means to vacuum the room, making sure to get up against the baseboards and to get under the furniture. Please be careful that you don't hurt yourself trying to move furniture. If it is too difficult to get under the couch or chairs, then just try to get as close to the base of the furniture as you can. So I guess I need to actually vacuum today and making sure to do a detailed vacuuming. So I guess I won't use my phone app for this because it's completely different than what the website says. And I guess I'll use the website for now until I get familiarized with the zone cleaning. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.